This 2024 Forest River Cedar Creek 360RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 40 feet 7 inches in length and features a BAHAMA interior, sleeps 4, refrigerator, water heater, oven, skylight, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, external shower, microwave, stove top burner, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Cedar Creek 360RL is 13,573 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.